welcome back. Today we've got another great dessert for you. It's also on the healthier side. We've got cinnamon oat pears. They are so amazing. You're gonna love them. Let's get started. First, grab 3 medium to large pears. The sweeter the better, and we are going to halve them. Next, you're gonna take a small spoon and we're just gonna scoop out the seeds. To make a small hole in the center of the pear, you're gonna just use a knife or a spoon, whatever works best for you, but you're just gonna wanna make about an inch hole in each of the pears, removing the seeds and creating a little pocket for the oat filling that we're going to create. Next, you're gonna grab a baking dish and you're gonna pour about a tablespoon of melted butter on the bottom. Swirl it around, and that's ready to go. Next, we're gonna grab a medium mixing bowl, some oats. I'm going to do about half a cup, depending on the size of your pears. You're gonna need about half a cup to a cup. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of fresh cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey. We're using this berry wildflower honey from Aysha. So good. Next, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Next step is optional. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of walnuts. You could also use almonds or pecans or completely omit this step. I just like the nice little crunch that it adds. And then just a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Give that a good mix. All right, now take your pear, get a nice spoonful of your oat mixture, and you're just gonna press that in and add it to the pear, just like this. You can kind of spread a little bit over the top, and then we're gonna place it in our buttered baking dish. All right, we've got our pears all filled, and lastly, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna sprinkle some extra cinnamon over the top and drizzle a little bit more honey over each of the pears. All right, now we're gonna cover our baking dish and place it in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. Take off the cover at 15 minutes in. It's gonna be so good. They're ready. Ooh. All right, our cinnamon oat pears are ready. Mike, are you ready for your taste test?
Me?
Yes, you.
All right.
Let's do this.
Oh, I can smell the cinnamon and the pears. Mmm! Wow, this is sweet. Honey, lemon, pear, cinnamon. What a blast of oats and flavor.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy these cinnamon oat pears. They are so good, you're gonna love them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And for more recipes, be sure to visit us at nestinature.com. Thanks. Mm-hmm.